Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Ali and I'm very happy to be your ESL tutor. I'm here to help you improve your English skills in a fun, comfortable, and supportive environment. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning, and I will guide you step by step. In our class, we will practice speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary, and everyday conversations that you can use in real life. I like to keep lessons interactive, so we'll play speaking activities, role plays, and simple discussions to help you become more confident. I believe every student learns at their own pace, so I will adjust the lessons depending on your level and goals. My goal is not only to teach English, but also to help you enjoy using it. I'm excited to learn with you. See you in class!